265 Westwind. I'm just going to point out that the grass is dead. The rebate program, my understanding is, only rebates you for live grass, but it could be because of the time of year, so it may be fine. The school bus down at the end of the street. I think that's real stained glass. So the wall colors are beautiful. It's pretty much exactly what we like. I like it because you can't really tell too much if it's gray or tan. So you could go either way and it's not too trendy. The laminate counters, the laundry is right off the kitchen. Of course, we need a fridge. Looks like they painted the hinges. Just not ideal, but it's fine. It just means over time, as you open and close the cabinets, the paint's gonna flake off the hinges. I definitely need blinds, so we need 2 in this room. Three. Possibly vertical. We might not need it since we don't seem to have a privacy issue here. Need to rekey that door along with the front door. Okay. But of course, note missing a couple of slats. And it's kind of a step up for into the house. Okay, so that's 3, 4. We're at 4 windows right now. Little coat closet right off of the garage. 5 windows. I would put something at the bottom to keep that from moving around too much. What a pretty bathroom. Those are blue tiles, and that's frosted windows. One, 2, 3, 4. So that's the door you want to rekey. Carpet looks new. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 windows, 6 windows, great loft. 7 windows. Everything looks good. Paint, carpet, closet. 8 windows. Again, everything looks good. And that's that. That was simple. Tile, which is what we need. This actually is caulking, but it's just so clean that you can't really tell. It's not yellow or anything. Okay. That was easy. So it's a 3 bed.